So have you ever been interested on the different products out there for natural teeth whiteners? Well, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm going to kind of give you a couple different options on natural teeth whiteners. It's pretty easy. The first option is there's always baking soda is a great form of a natural teeth whitener. You would just mix baking soda and water together to create almost like a paste consistency and brush your teeth with it. Another option too is chewing or eating strawberries. The acid from the strawberry will actually start to eat away at the stains of your teeth. Or you can get lime juice, get a lime, squeeze the juice out of it, and put salt, mix it with salt. That's another great option for natural teeth whiteners. Or hydrogen peroxide. You can actually get some hydrogen peroxide and brush your teeth with it about 1 to 2 minutes. These are all great options of natural teeth whiteners. Once again, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just explained to you a couple different options on natural teeth whiteners.